Good evening, everybody. This is Gopinath. After a long time, I would like to show about how the stocks will be scanned through the help of the what we call screener. And today, I would like to show about the how would you like to select the stocks will be there. So, for example, so what are the trending stock for the today or for the next 6 months or for the next 3 months will be there. How we need to find out or how we need to search about the stocks will be there through the help of the screener or through the help of the scans will be there, and these scans will be used through the help of the charting websites will be there. And here you can check out about the what we call, so here you will be having a two moving averages will be there. One will be the 200 moving averages and one will be the 50 moving averages will be there. So here the blue line indicates about the 200 moving average and red line indicates about the 50 moving averages will be there. So here the stages will be there whenever if you are doing any kind of the trades mean. So whenever if the candlesticks is above the 250 moving averages means it will be resulted as the trending stock. So it's nothing but the stock is having a trending way. So therefore the stock in trending means in terms of the uptrend will be there. So therefore you can make the investment, you can go for the investment for a few days means, for a few days means you can hold the stock for 30 days, you can hold the stocks for the 50 days will be there. For the long term also you can hold. And if the stock is lying between these two moving averages, that is in terms of 50 EMA and 200 moving averages mean, so we need to avoid the trade, and this stage will be called as a consolidation zone or the correction series will be there. So therefore we will not take any trade in this situations will be there, or in these stages we would like to avoid the trade will be there. And one more thing is, if the candlestick is falling the below these two moving averages means we would like we will not take any trade because the trend is already downtrend will be there. So this is the range. So you'll be having a clear cut about the how we need to take the stocks will be there. If the stock is uptrend, if the stock is a downtrend, if the stock is a consolidation will be there. Like this we would like to hold the stocks will be there. So now I need to go for the how we need to screen the stocks will be there, how we need to scan the stocks will be there through the help of the chartings will be there. So therefore I would like to show the scanning will be there. Wait for few minutes, I would like to. And this is a charting screener will be there. You can go for it, is a free website will be there. You can easily screen the stocks will be there through the help of the programming or the through the help of the selecting the stocks will be there. Now I need to show about the how you are going to charting screeners will be there. So here you will be having, it will be the website will be there. You can enlarge or else you can go for the login also, you can register, it's a free, or else you can go for the subscription also. You'll be getting the added feature also will be there. That I will explain later. So therefore can we go for the screeners will be there. In the case of the screener, you would like to go for the create scans will be there. So here you can go enlarge, you will be getting a create scan will be there. You please put the button or press the button, create scans will be there. You will be getting in the stock screeners will be there. Stock screeners means it will be very helpful, because in the Nifty 50 you will be having a 50 stocks will be there. Futures and options will be having a 160 plus stocks will be there. You cannot able to identify which stock is a booming, which stock is having a uptrend, which stock is having a correction will be there. In this scenario you will be segregate the stocks will be there, how we need to selections of the stocks will be there. So therefore today I would like to go for the stock screeners in terms of the, I would like to take the what we call long term in terms of the 5 moving averages I need to pick. So therefore it will be having a clear cut instruction in terms of 20 days, 10 days and 50 days, 100 days and 200 days will be there. So I need to select the moving averages. 200 days will be the what we call the candles will be following for the 200 days will be there, and 100 days and 50 days and again the 2010 will be there. This will be very clear cut, you will be having a which stock is having a scenarios will be there. Now I need to go for the what we call the things will be there. So can we go for the creating the scanners? You press the button. So here you can go for the EMA, you can put the button. Therefore you can go for the greater than. So greater than, you can go for EMA. So therefore go for the EMA. So I need to go for the latest means can we go for the weekly? You can go for the weekly, or else you can go for the my idea will be the 1 week is the better for you. So therefore put a button here, you make it as a 10, make it as a 10 will be there. So that will be, and here, and once again I will explain, You can go for EMA, latest EMA, 10 EMAs will be there, that is exponential moving average 1 week ago and 1 week 20 greater than, it is a 10 EMA should be always greater than 20. So therefore I need to copy, you can press the button, same font, this button will be there, and here we need to go for the slight change, you make it as a 20, make it as a 20. So therefore here if it is 20 means go for the not 30, you better go for the jump for the 50. So therefore once again I need to go for the copy the button. So here you will be getting a, if it is 50 means you make it as a 50. Okay, now I need to go for, if it is 50 means make it as a double, that is 100, make it as a 100. Now again you copy, you will be getting 100 is there, so therefore 100 double, you make it as a 200, and here you make it as a what we call 100. Okay, so this is the screener we have developed. Have a glance on this one. I need to show, you'll be having what we call EMA 10, 20, 50, 100, and again there also will be having a 20, 50, 100 and 200 will be, that will be better, will be there. So now I need to scan the stocks will be there, and here the segment means you can select a Nifty 50. First I need to show only the 50 stocks which is having a booming or which is having an uptrend will be there, that you can make a selection. Click the selection. So therefore in the Nifty 50 I am getting a, these are the stocks I will be getting out of 50, 21 stocks is having a trending will be there. So therefore I would like to go for the LNT, or you can go for the LNT will be there. So you can go for the price also, you can click on which is feasible for you. If anybody would like to go for the 200, 250 means we can go for like that only. So I have taken a what we call the lowest price will be there, 108 will be there. You can go for the Tata Steel. I need to put a button Tata Steel. See, the trend is not in a trend direction because it having a what we call, and one more thing is I need to moving averages, I need to make it as a moving averages. Once again you will be having a 5 moving averages I need to put. So therefore make it as a exponential, here also make it as a exponential, here also, and here also make it as a exponential. If it is 100 and after 100 you make it as a 50, then you make it as a 10. Now I need to update the chart. So therefore it is not in a trend, you can check off here, it's in a downtrend. So therefore I will not go for the, these stocks will be there. So therefore I need to go for the one more stocks will be there, ONGC, or else I need to go for the short out the price will be there. So therefore short out the price, I would like to go for the percentage. So LNT is there, I need to go for the LNT. See, LNT is having a very good booming. See how the scenario, if I go to the Tata Steel, it is lying between these moving averages, it is below the 200 moving averages. So therefore it is not in a uptrend, it is a downtrend will be there. So therefore here you can check off easily, these are the moving averages will be there. So therefore the candle is in between this moving averages, means that is the EMA. We will never touch, we will never make any kind of the investments will be there, because the candle is not a flying. See, for a few days it is in a flying above, so that is not trending is there, but right now it is not in a trending, so it is advisable not to make investment. See, LNT is having a very good, see, every moving average is having, now the trend was taken, so you can make investment. The target price will be having a 2300, or else you can fix whatever the price is there. So this is one of the advantages of the 6 months trend we have checked. So I have taken for the 6 months. If you are not comfortable for 6 months, you can go for the 1 year also. we can put the button. 1 year is not visible. See, 1 year it is how the trend is going on. You will be getting a very good investment will be there, how it is jumping and moving, it is crossing. So therefore we can make the investment will be there. Now I need to go for the one more stocks will be there, and NTPC. Can we go for the NTPC? So NTPC is not in a trending because it is lying between the moving averages. It's in a consolidation zone. So therefore I will not go for the NTPC. I would like to go for the Bajaj Auto. Can we go for the Bajaj Auto? See, Bajaj Auto, as of now the trend was started. See how the trend was started. You can make the investment for the Bajaj Auto will be there. So therefore the trend was started. So you can fix the target for 4150 will be there. See how the trend was started. And one more thing is the moving averages is also having a more gap will be there between the moving averages. So therefore you can make the investment. So therefore I need to go for the one more stocks will be there. ONGC. Can we go for the ONGC? So ONGC will be having, we do not have the things will be there. Just now the trend was started, and for this stock we do not have the very good beta. So therefore better to avoid the investments will be there. I need to go for the what we call HDFC. Can we go for the HDFC Bank, Tata Steel will be there. So Tata Motors, I need to go for the Tata Motors, how the trend was started. Wow, see the Tata Motors, how the trend was started, and all the moving averages is having a flying, is having a above the 200 moving averages. So therefore you can make the investment for the Tata Steel will be there. So whenever if the candlestick is flying above moving averages, is touching for the moving averages, is nothing but a retracement is taking. So therefore you can go for the investment very easily. You can go for the investment. So this is the right way to make the right choices. I have taken only for the Nifty 50. Like this you need to go for the shorting of the stocks will be there while making a entry in a book, and again make it as a entry, make your own analysis in the charting will be there. Like this we would like to go for the Nifty 50, and again whatever the stocks will be there you can make the investment. And I would like to go for the, if you are not comfortable with the Nifty 50, I need few more stocks will be there, means you can go for the future. So therefore futures also will be having, and in the futures you can go for the run stocks will be there. So here also will be getting a more number of the stocks will be there. See how many stocks, 64 stocks you got. So therefore I need to go for the few more stocks will be there, so which is having a very good percentage. So here also will be getting LNT, and if I go for a short wise, the volume wise, you can go for the volume wise, that's 56 lakh 186 will be there. Tata Steel is having the things, and apart from that BHL is there. I need to go for the BHL. Can you go for the BHL? BHL is not having a trend because the trend is already started in the month of October. Now it is lying between the moving averages, so therefore it is a consolidation zone. Avoid the trade. So next I need to go for the Bank of Baroda. So therefore Bank of Baroda is having a very good trend. This was started in the month of October, but right now it is in a consolidation zone. Avoid the trades will be there. So likewise you need to go for the I need to go for the Vedanta. Can you go for the Vedanta? Vedanta is also not having a trending because it's having a consolidation zones will be there, and these are the things we need to go for the research will be there. So that will be the very important to you. So thank you for watching the video about the stock scanning will be there, and please kindly subscribe the channel, and if you have any comments or query, please write the queries will be there. And I hope everybody enjoy the videos about the how to make the stock scanning will be there. You can notify, or else you can go for the screenshot. So therefore it will be better how you are going to scanning the stocks will be there. So therefore once again I would like to glance about the 10 EMA should be always greater than 20 EMA, 20 moving average should be greater than 50 moving averages, 50 moving average should be always greater than 100 moving averages, and 100 moving averages should be greater than 200 moving averages is the basic thing. Above that 100, above that 50 should be there. So therefore if the candle is flying above the 10 moving averages, means you will be having a very good trending will be there. So therefore this is the indication. Like this we need to scan the stocks will be there. You can hold the stocks. If the trend is down, you can exit, or else you can make the investment dip by dip will be there. So like this we would like to go for the investments will be there. I hope you enjoy the all videos will be there. Thanks for watching the video. Kindly subscribe the channel, kindly put the like button. Thanks for watching the video, and I would like to upload the videos, few more videos from the coming weeks will be there. Thanks for watching the videos. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a great day.